Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So this is a look that I created today, and if you want to see how to get this look, just keep watching. Okay, so today starting again with the e.l.f. concealer as my base. I already used it to clean up my eyebrow, and today instead of the brush we're going to use this little mini sponge that's already wet to blend it out. Angel boy. And same with the other eye. And we take it to the inside because when we put our foundation, it's hard to get in there since I do my eyes first. So it'll cover it up at least so you can't see like the darkness there. Okay, so today I don't really know what the look is gonna come out to, but I think I'm gonna use the Morphe 3502 for this. So let's see. I'm gonna take a light shade and put it on the inner and outer corner.
Stand a chance, heartbreak like a sad romance. Said that you never come back again. Been 3 days, now you're back again.
Okay, so we're putting it in the inner and the outer corner. I think I'm gonna try and do a halo eye today. So we're using a light color first, and we packed it on, and we're slowly blending it out. And we're gonna do the same for the other eye.
But I'm not your man, no I'm not your man. I can blow you.
Go in with a little bit of a darker shade. Then we're gonna use this other one with the flat top. I kinda wanna go in with an orangey. We're gonna go in with the orange color and do the same again. Just deepen that up.
Like whoa, why be faithful when you got hoes?
And we're gonna put that on the inner corner also.
Topping off we go, we gon' pop off, that's how we roll. Your perfect face, not to
And we're gonna go upward so it'll blend out the edges.
mention. Your perfect body,
We're gonna do the same with the other. We're just blending the edges.
elegance, the way you move while you're dancing.
And it's okay to drag it down because like always we're gonna clean it before our face makeup. So next we're gonna go in with an even darker color. I'm gonna go in with this fluffy little brush. Wanna go in with the red color. We're gonna pack it on the brush and we're gonna do the same thing.
I'm your favorite toy, but
Put that in the inner corner.
never be your angel boy, angel boy.
Grab another brush and we're gonna blend out the edges. We're gonna go in with an even darker color. Take this other little fluffy brush. I'm mixing two colors for this. The same with the other eye. We're gonna use the ABH brush and we're gonna take black, but the tiniest bit.
Angel boy, late nights, calls on the phone, I want late nights, keep it down.
We're gonna do the same, grab the tiniest bit, put a little bit.
On the low, be fast, but I'm taking it slow, yeah, I'm taking it slow, yeah, I'm taking it slow.
And we're gonna do the same with the other.
Still, want your body, yeah.
Same with this eye again.
Your perfect face, not to mention your perfect body, elegance.
And we're gonna clean it up, and we're gonna take the same flat brush and concealer to clean up the center a bit.
The way you move while you're dancing. You say that I'm your favorite toy.
Instead of making it super big through, I'm gonna make it big at the top and then fade it smaller.
Toy.
We're gonna take a flat brush and the gold color, the light gold, and put that at the top. This brush work.
But I'll never be your angel boy.
And we're gonna have to take the other colors that we used in the beginning and blend it out. Take the orange lightly and tap into the other color on both sides.
Angel boy, you say that I'm your favorite toy.
And then we're gonna go in with the same brush with the red color tap it. Sides for both eyes. We're gonna take the other flat brush and we're gonna take the dark colors. And the same with the inner corner of the eye. And the same with the other side. Okay, so we're done with the eyes and now I'm gonna prime my face and I'll be back. Okay, so I just wet my sponge. I prime my face with the same NYX Do Me Up primer. And today we're gonna mix the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Foundation. It's in the shade 105 Natural Beige. I used this when I was in Cali. I was way darker, so now it's too dark. And we're gonna mix it with the Matte and Poreless foundation from Maybelline. And it is in the shade 120 Classic Ivory, so this is too light. So together, it'll work. I'm gonna use the Stila little pan for their eyeshadow. And I'm gonna do like one little squirt. And we're gonna put some of this, maybe like a drop or two also, and mix it up if I have any left. That was a lot. Using the Real Technique sponge.
Angel boy.
Same concealer as always.
Angel boy.
We're gonna go in the center of the face. I blend that out with the other side of this sponge.
Never gonna stand a chance.
Use the Kat Von D translucent powder this time.
Boy.
Okay, so we're gonna take our big fluffy Real Techniques blush brush and dust all of this.
Favorite toy.
Now we're gonna contour using the Fenty bronzer in Shady Bit, this little mini one, and our fluffy brush.
Angel boy. Angel boy.
We're gonna take the powder again and clean up under that.
Favorite toy.
We're gonna take the Wet n Wild highlight and Precious Petals.
Angel boy. Angel boy.
Take the Tarte Blush and Feisty. To make all of this less powdery, we're gonna take our Mario Badescu spray. It's the cucumber and green tea. We're gonna use a ginger and green tea setting spray to set my face. And now we're gonna take the same colors and put them in the lower lash line. We're gonna take the brown first.
Angel boy.
And then we're gonna take the orange color with the same flat brush again and do the same.
Angel boy.
Now we're gonna take this brush with the red.
Never gonna stand a chance.
And we're gonna take our finger and add some of the gold. And we're gonna add this on the bottom.
Heartbreak like a sad romance. Said that you never come back again. Been 3 days.
We're gonna add a little bit of a line at the top just to have the eyelashes covered.
So you're back again, but I'm not your man. No, I'm not your man.
We're gonna add some lashes and mascara and we'll be back. Okay, so for lips, we're gonna use the same Nabby Cappuccino pencil.
Blow your mind like whoa. Why be faithful when you got hoes? Drop top and off we go. We gon' pop off, that's how we roll.
And over that, we're gonna use the Color Drain Pebbles liquid lipstick.
Big face, not to mention your perfect body elegance. The way you
And once that dries, we're gonna go on the outside with the same pencil again and just start hitting it. So it's dry. Now we're gonna go on the outside.
move while you're dancing.
So this is a finished look.
I'm your favorite toy. But I'll never be your.
I really really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about it in the comments, and let me know any other video ideas you guys have. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
What do I